Okay, folks, section 2.5, we're going to talk about the greatest common factor. Okay, and I've got a little definition here. It says greatest common factor. We'll call it the GCF so we don't have to spend half our life saying greatest common factor, okay, or writing it that way anymore. Okay, GCF means greatest common factor, and it says if we begin with two numbers, their GCF is the biggest number that goes into both of them. The greatest common factor, what's the biggest number that fits into these two things? For instance, the numbers 6 and 12. 2 goes into both of them, but that's not the greatest common factor. 3 goes into both of them, but that's not the greatest common factor. 6 goes into both of them. That is the greatest common factor. Okay? The greatest common factor is the biggest number that goes into both of them. Now, I was telling you that story just a second ago. I promise you, 20 years I've been teaching. I know how to find the greatest common factor. That I know how to do. Miss Potter came in today, showed me something I had never seen before, and it was super easy. Just slayed me. I'm telling you. Miss Potter showed me something. I'd never seen it before. Thank you, Miss Potter, if you're listening. This makes it so much easier for me now. Daniel, your life just got easier because of Miss Potter. Let me show you. All right? Now, in the past, if I wanted to find the greatest common factor of 28 and 36, I'm looking at example number 1, I would do a factor tree for both of them. Okay? And then I would see which prime factors they have in common. That works. It's great. It works all the time and it's easy. I'm sorry, Emily, you still right? Let me scoot back down. How's that? Is that enough? Okay. Now, Miss Potter showed me something that she calls the ladder method. Ladder. Not latter, not meaning like after something else, but the ladder, like climbing a ladder. And here's how you do it. Gosh, it was so easy. Bailey, it was so easy. Watch this. I'm going to take the two numbers, 28 and 36. Okay? And I'm going to put a little rung around each one of them, the first rung of the ladder. Is there a number that goes into both of them? Raise your hand if you can tell me a number that goes into both of them. Zachary? 2. Easy. Okay? 28 divided by 2 is what? Raise your hand. 28 divided by 2, Elise? 14. And what's 36 divided by 2? Emily? 18. Excellent. Now, I'm going to put a rung around those two. Is there anything that goes into those two numbers? Daniel? 2. 2 goes into 14 how many times, Daniel? 7. 2 goes into 18 how many times? 9. Now, let me ask you this. Is there anything that goes into 7 and 9? No. We're done. Wait a minute, Ms. Cortez, what's the greatest common factor? The numbers on this side, just multiply them. What do you get? Elizabeth? 2 times 2 is 4. That's the greatest common factor. Done. Is that easy or what? Is that easy or what? We're going to use this same method tomorrow to find the least common multiple. You know what least common multiple means? It means what's the smallest number that 28 and 36 both go into? Okay? What's the smallest number? Do you know how to do this, Vivian? How would I find out the smallest number that 28 and 36 go into?
Using the ladder method?
Using the ladder method. Do you know how to do it?
Would you do that exact thing except for dividing?
No, you don't divide. You don't divide. You do this exact same thing, but you know what? You draw an L around everything on the outside for least common multiple. Multiply those. You can use your calculator if you like. Oh, time's almost up. Go ahead quickly. 7 times 9 is 63 times 4 is what? 63 times 4 is 252. Least common multiple, 252. Done. See you at the next video.